A research lab in Texas is growing hundreds of miniature brains. Yes, they're growing brains from stem cells. Now, they're not using the brains in patients.
Well, that's good. Instead, they're using the miniature lab-grown brains to better understand how the brain can repair after injuries. Here's Haley Hernandez.
Inside this lab, they're growing hundreds of brains. You're looking at them. Those white specks are miniature brains that can teach scientists more than they've ever known about neurological diseases. Houston Methodist neuroscientist Robert Krensick and his team are leading the charge to better understand how the brain can repair after injuries,
such as brain and spinal cord injury, and also after disease such as genetic disorders and other neuropathy.
According to Houston Methodist, Krensick's group is the first to engineer these 3D mini brains faster than before. They grow them from stem cells in weeks instead of years, getting them under a microscope quicker and testing treatments on them.
To try to understand how the neural connections are disrupted in injuries and disease, but also we can understand how they may promote regeneration after applying drugs or different techniques.
The benefit to you is that within about 5 years, this team's goal is to find out how the brain heals and find a cure for neurological problems.
So we're now using these cells to discover how these connections are lost during things such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's and injuries.
Researchers hope this will give them the ability to screen drugs and study what's behind disease-causing mutations more quickly.